Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if TikTok is not loading or not working properly. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up TikTok, let's open up TikTok, and it's not playing a video, or you're scrolling to the next video or the next video, and it's not playing any of these TikTok videos, or you can't leave comments or like a video or anything like that, it's generally just not working. The very first thing to do is to head out of TikTok and open up Safari or Chrome or something and type in "is TikTok down?" And we'll just go to down. Detector is a really good option here. So when we go here, we'll see "is TikTok down?" If you see kind of a normal gradual kind of trend here, that means it's probably up and running. There are no real issues to TikTok. However, if you see a huge spike in issues on TikTok, then TikTok servers are down, and that's the reason why it's not working or not loading properly. Now, if that's the case, you just kind of have to wait until TikTok gets their servers back up again, and you can watch videos and posts and comment and reply, all that stuff. However, if it seems normal on here, just kind of a gradual thing, then the next thing we'll want to do is to head into our settings here. Once you're in settings, you can scroll down until you get to general, and then you can hit on iPhone storage here. Now, when this pops up, you'll just want to find TikTok and hit Offload App. And what this does is it deletes the core files within the TikTok app itself. However, and you can tap reinstall app, it doesn't delete kind of the files that pertain to you. It doesn't delete your username, your login, your drafts, anything like that. It'll keep all that. So once that's all done and we've offloaded and reinstalled the app, we can go back to TikTok here and see if it's loading now. See if the videos are working, everything is loading correctly. Potentially there is just a glitch in TikTok itself. So then doing this process gets you to the point where you can use TikTok and it's not an issue. Now, the last thing that you'll want to do is, if both of these don't work, is you can just head into your profile here on the bottom right. And then at the top right, you can tap on the three lines and then go to settings and privacy. Once you're in settings and privacy, you can scroll down until you find clear cache. So we'll tap clear cache, and that'll go down to 0 megabytes per second. Potentially there's an issue with the cache. Maybe the cache got too big and it's kind of slowing down the app or something. So you can clear that cache, and that should kind of help speed everything up within the app itself. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.